In ancient times, different communities used different tools for measuring capacities and volumes. So, there was no common tool to be used by everyone. They used common objects, such as jars and pots, to measure volumes and capacity. Gradually, mankind noticed that there must be a unique system for measurements to be used worldwide. What are volume and capacity? Look at the following bottles. They all look different. They have different shapes, different heights, different colors, and different liquids inside. But they have one common property. The amounts of liquids inside the bottles are the same. Each bottle holds 2 liters of a liquid. So, we see that all the bottles have a common property. This property is the amount of space they have for holding a liquid. This space is called capacity. So, we can say that all these bottles have the same capacity. Sometimes the amounts of liquids inside different bottles or jars are the same, but the capacities of the containers are not the same. The following cylinders, which all have different capacities, but the amounts of liquids inside all the cylinders are the same. This amount is called volume. Volume represents the amount of a liquid, or how much space the liquid takes up in a container. Let's see what you have learned in this lesson.
Okay, good day everyone. Hello. So here are the continuation for volume and capacity. So I will give some examples for you to understand well the volume and capacity. Okay, are you ready? So let's start. So for example number 1, you can see that Ravi has 4 empty bottles. Okay, so you can see that we have 4 empty bottles first. And then he pours the 4 oranges or 4 orange juice into the bottle. So you can see at the picture below, we have orange juice. So you can see that the amount of liquid in the container is what we call volume. So the amount of the liquid in the container is what we call volume. So volume means it is the amount of liquid that takes up the space. So the amount of orange is its volume. So when you pour the orange to the bottle, so that is the volume. So the amount of orange juice is what we call volume. Okay, so next, do these containers have the same volume of water? So do they have the same volume of water? So what will be your answer? Is it yes or no? Do they have the same volume? So let's find out. So number 2 example is we have Janice has 2 jugs of the same size. So for example, I have 2 jugs of the same size. And then for jug letter A, she pours 4 full glasses of apple juices. So for jug A, Janice pours 4 full glasses. And then she pours 3 full glasses of apple juices in jug B. So let's see. So here is the example. So we have jug A, we have 4 full glasses, and for jug B, we have 3 full glasses. So we use the glasses as a unit for measuring. So we use the glasses for the measurement or the mode of measurement. So the containers we use for measuring have to be the same size. So if you're going to use the glasses, make sure that they have the same size. Okay, so now I have a question for you. Which container has a greater volume of juice? Is it jug A or jug B? So which container or which jug has a greater, when you say greater, more volume of juice? Jug A or jug B? Very good, it is jug A. So next, for example number 3, look at here. Ravi is pouring a full jug of orange juice into a glasses. So here is the orange juice. So Ravi is pouring full jug. It means the jug is full, and then she wants it to put it into the glasses. So now he gets 9 full glasses of orange juice. So if you're going to count how many glasses, we get 9 glasses of orange juice. So when you say capacity, so this is capacity now. So when you say capacity, the capacity of a container is the full amount of liquid or items it can hold. So it is the full amount. So you look at the glasses, how many glasses or how many capacity it can hold. Okay, so for your do and learn, please open your book and answer. Let's answer do and learn, page 164. So 164, so let's answer. So we're going to cross out if the statement is wrong. So we're going to check if the statement is wrong, and then we're going to cross it out. So each jug is the same size. So each jug, they have the same size. So it means that the jug A, jug B, and jug C has the same size. They are all the same, okay? So for jug A, has the greatest amount of water. Do jug A. So look at jug A. Do jug A has the greatest amount of water? Yes or no? Is it true or false? So you're going to compare A, B, C. Do this jug A has the greatest amount of water? Okay. So how about letter C? Jug C has the least amount of water. When you say least, it means lesser. Okay, do the jug C has the more or less amount of water? Yes or no? Is it A, B, or C? Which jug has the least amount of water? A, B, or C? Okay, so now the next statement, we have jug C has a greater amount of water than jug B. So you look at jug C. Does jug C has a greater amount of water than jug B? Yes or no? So which one has the wrong statement? So it is jug C. Good job. So it is jug C. So you're going to cross it out, jug C. Okay, jug C has the least amount of water because the least amount of water is jug B. So the statement here is wrong. It should be jug B has the least amount of water. So please cross out jug C has the least amount of water. Okay. So for your activity, let's answer pages 165 to 167. Okay, so please answer it, and then we're going to check your answers once you were done. Okay, so we're going to check your answers again for our next lesson, for our next class. Okay, so please answer it first, and if you have any question about volume and capacity, you can message me or message us on our group line. Okay, so that's all for our volume and capacity, and then we're going to discuss it more, your activity, to our next class. Okay, so that's all everyone. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye.